Hi, my name is Graham. I'm 26 years old from Canada, and I'm a second year's master's student studying global logistics and supply chain management. I worked on cargo entry point updates within the humanitarian community. I also did extensive data cleaning, along with learning how to build forms and surveys, and also I did some content review of the logistics operational guide. One of the challenges that I faced was that I was placed into the middle of some ongoing projects. Luckily, there was great training courses that helped me to get to know familiar acronyms and other processes of the organization. Definitely, there's opportunities for so many different skill sets, and it's a very rewarding and impactful career. I would say go for it. For me, it was a great experience, and the skills that I developed are transferable within all industries.